Testing GPT-O1 Mini for coding. Building a Tetris game. Hi everyone, in this video, we explore the capabilities of the GPT-O1 Mini model in coding. I'll walk you through the process of using this AI to create a Tetris game from scratch. So let's start. First, visit the chatgpt.com website. Then, navigate to the top left corner and click on the ChatGPT Automatique drop-down menu. From the list, choose the Alpha Models option, and finally, select the O1 Mini model. So let's prompt the AI by asking it to write the game Tetris in HTML. GPT-4o will respond with HTML and JavaScript code that can be run in a browser. Now, switch to the GPT-4o Mini model, which will generate a new response with two files, an HTML file and a JavaScript file named Tetris.js. Next, we'll test this code. Start by copying the HTML code and opening Visual Studio Code. Create a new HTML file, which I've named index.html, and paste the code there. Save the file. Then, go back to GPT-4o Mini's response, copy the contents of the Tetris.js file, and paste it into a new JavaScript file named Tetris.js in Visual Studio Code. Save this as well. Now, we can run the game by opening the index.html file in your browser from the Tetris folder. As you see, the keyboard controls aren't working as expected. To fix this, prompt GPT-4o Mini again, asking it to solve the issue. Once it provides an updated JavaScript file, copy the new code into Tetris.js and save it. After refreshing the index.html file in the browser, the key presses should work correctly. There's one final feature to add, a game over condition for when there's no more space for new pieces. Like before, copy the updated code from GPT-4o Mini, Paste it into your Visual Studio Code files, save, and refresh the browser page. You'll now see a game over, press F5 to restart message when the screen is full, and that's it. In just 10 minutes, we've built a functional Tetris game. You can continue enhancing and improving it in any programming language of your choice. Thank you.